Good morning students, welcome to the social class. Until the last class we have completed about the prejudice and stereotypes. Now we are in the lesson of diversity and discrimination. This is Civics chapter 2. So today we start with the last point of stereotype. Yes, here we have an example of Muslim religion. Generally it is an image or a fixing opinion on Muslims that they won't send their girl's child to the school. They won't send their girl child to the school is the stereotype of the Muslim religion. But according to the surveys done by the people and the government, then we can come to know that it is not because of the religion, because lacking of proper transportation and with their poverty they are hesitating to send their girl child to the school. Yes, in the state of Kerala where the schools are very near to the public and the teachers are provide good transportation to go to the schools, the education percentage is very high in Kerala. Because of the availability of the transportation and the schools near to the localities, the people along with the Muslims interested to send their children to the school. So, if those things happen in all the states means everybody are ready to send their children to the school to get the education. So, we can come to know that it is not the religion, it stops poverty. Because of the poverty, they are unable to send their girl children to the school. So this stereotype mentalities has to be changed. We need to change our thinking towards the others. In order to get good from the others, in order to know the right capacity of the others, we need to come out of the prejudice and stereotypes. Yes. Now, today's fresh topic is inequality and discrimination. So, we know prejudice, we know stereotypes, then what is discrimination and why it happens in society? Yes, this discrimination can happen in these 3 points. The first one is religion, second one is location, third one is economic background. So these 3 points will force the people to discriminate others. Let us take the first one, religion. If the people who belongs to the majority religion or which they call themselves into the upper castes, they will look the other people who did not belongs their religion into an inferior way. So they always try to discriminate other religious people. It is not at all good. And the next one is location. Location means the region, the people where they brought up or where they are living. So some people may come from the high class societies and good colonies. Some people may live in slums or some dirty locations. So because of their poverty they may come from that type of areas. And some people may live in villages and some people live in cities. So the people who are come from good localities or from towns and cities should not look down the people who comes from the villages or some poorly background areas. So because of their poverty and their family situations, they may come from those places. But we should not have a degrade look or we should not discriminate. The economic background is based on the family situations and the hard work of the family and luck of that family also sometimes. Yes, some people may come from good economic background. Some people may come from poor families. We should not consider money while we are searching the talent. So we need to see every individual a unique person, and we need to treat other persons equal with us. We should not discriminate on the basis of their religion, their caste, their location, or their economic background. As an individual, we have to treat them on par with us. This is about the discrimination of others in the society. Then, who are going to discriminate in the society? Who the people are facing discriminating in the society? So our next topic is that on being discriminated. So who is going to discriminate in the society? Yes, we will look into this. People means we are taking different kinds of works in order to earn money, in order to survive, right? Yes, teachers, doctors, lawyers, or financial managers, CEOs, employees, so educated persons, they are doing software jobs, so engineering field. So many of the people doing many works. Why they are doing these many works? To earn the livelihood, we are doing our work in different fields. So these all jobs which I mentioned now are having a little bit high value. High value jobs in society, or some having valuable jobs in society. And some other persons are there who are doing different works to get their livelihood. Those are hair cutting persons, cleaning persons, washing persons. So the persons who are cleaning the roads and our houses. So many of the people who are doing the small works, even though they are also working for exactly earning for livelihood. So earning livelihood is the basic point to do any work. As we know the subject, we are doing our work. As they know the thing which they can do with their body's hard work, they are doing that work. Yes, these second jobs or works considered in society as less value jobs. Even though those are very important, they are considered as less valuable jobs than the first jobs. This job segregation is main concept of caste-based system. Some caste people are restricted to do that work only. For example, we have mentioned a porter. If the person is porter, his generations has to become a porter only. So our society will not encourage them to become a good jobber or to take up other jobs in society like lawyer, doctor, teacher or some other jobs. So this caste-based system is the first aspect of discrimination. And the next one is, in our society we have the ladder of the caste system. So you can observe here the ladder of the caste system. In this ladder, the first place occupied by the people so called as upper caste people, and they themselves call them as upper caste people. At the bottom of this ladder, we have here the people who are having the low value in that same caste. Those are sometimes called as untouchables. Observe the caste ladder here. In this ladder, some people placed themselves at higher level and they called as upper caste people. They are at the top of the ladder. And at the same ladder, at the down of that ladder, they have some people who are having less value in the same caste. Those are called as untouchables. Yes, there is another name for untouchables, that is Dalits. The meaning of the Dalit is broken. So these untouchables are discriminated in the society. So the other name for untouchables is Dalits. So these Dalit people are not encouraged to take any other job other than their caste. For example, mending the shoes, hair cutting, cleaning the dead bodies, cleaning the roads. So all these low level jobs are assigned to the Dalits in our society. So these caste people has to do that works only. They should not do or they should not take up any other jobs other than these jobs. Means they assign some particular jobs to that caste and they are not supposed to enter into the temples, neither the temples nor into the houses of upper caste people. So Dalits are banned to enter into the upper caste people's house and temples also. And surprisingly, they should not enter into the classroom along with the other children. They have to sit at the corner of the classroom and they should not touch others also. And they should not sit beside the upper caste people. So in a corner in the classroom they has to sit. And you can observe the image in your textbook page. So there you can observe the classroom where the Dalit children has to move away from the others. So, this is the discrimination that Dalits or untouchables facing in our country. So once upon a time they faced. Now the situations are changed.